Well, it's the day before Thanksgiving, and looking at this clouded over sky, if I was in Virginia right now, I would say this is a sky that says snow is coming. It's just we don't have clouded over skies like this, so it's kind of weird. But on the other hand, it's about 70 degrees, so we probably won't have snow in the next day or so. But look what just came into the shop. Isn't this pretty? It's a, I refer to them as a bathtub Triumph. It's a 350. And it's got some problems. Right now, at this point in time, every time we jiggle the ignition switch, the bike stops running. So I'm going to take this switch apart tomorrow and see if there's some contacts in there that I can clean. That could be the whole problem. Throttle's a little weird, a little grindy. We can look into that. Isn't it pretty? No. The bike has been converted to 12 volts, 12 volt headlight, 12 volt tail light, but a 6 volt coil. And even now it's still hot from when he wrote it in here. He wrote it in here. Yeah, actually did. So we'll put in a 12 volt coil for it. And I don't think I'll do anything in here other than just examine the internal workings and points and stuff. So let's see if fixing the ignition switch solves the intermittent running and hard starting. So that's where we are on this one. Pretty bike. Pretty bike. Okay. I'm going to walk around. $21. Huh. Got the headlight on the it's interesting. I wonder what this is. Is that a horn? Yeah, it's a horn. Okay. Huh. All right. Pretty bike. So Fred's sitting here. I've still got the valves out of the head. I can put these back in now, I just haven't. I went out and got a flu shot and a COVID shot yesterday, and it sort of knocked me on my posterior. I slept all morning. I just feel exhausted. So anyway, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'm not going to work here tomorrow. But the day after, the Golden bike is basically ready for first start as soon as Kevin can get down here and do some kicking on it. So we'll do that. And Fred is waiting on new pistons. The damage to the cylinder was about 30 thousandths deep. It is borable. And that's total side to side. It's borable, I guess, anyway. We're going to go to, I was going to go to 40 over, but I think I'm going to go to 60 over pistons, have the jugs bored for 60 over, and put it back together. So that's where we are. The fun just never stops here on Griswold Lane. All right, it's just a pretty bike. Huh. All right, we're done. I'm tired. I'm going back inside.